happened?
Oh, it's just a paper cut, I think, but man, oh.
All right.
John, you're taking this first aid stuff too hard. It's just a freaking paper cut.
I may have to take that arm. Hey guys.
You know, sometimes February can feel like the longest month of the year.
Well, this is leap year, so it is 29 days.
Right. And maybe because we can't ride. So we thought we would just pop in and give you a quick update from Asphalt Odyssey Headquarters.
Yep.
So one news item is that our joy jar is filling up. Both kids called this week, which is always a good thing.
Yes. And we got to watch 6 seasons of The Crown. Joy.
It was joyful. Followed by Masters of the Air.
There's something about watching guys shoot down their own wristwatches.
And we got our taxes done before the deadline.
And I always end up with a sharp pain in my right rear hip when we do those.
Yeah. Saw a bluebird on my walk earlier this week. Kind of a sign of spring, right?
Yep.
Of course you...
And now we've both come down with the winter plague. First it started with me with a terrible head cold. And then, of course, I gave it to Miriam.
And we did celebrate Valentine's Day this week.
Well, we're trying to. We had made reservations at a nice upscale restaurant for Valentine's Day dinner, and then we both come down with the plague, so we're going to be doing carry-out tonight.
Yeah, but so many ways to celebrate love.
Yes.
And really, that's what the Spyder's all about, isn't it? Just part of our love story.
It really is. It's something that, you know, we get to share together, and as a couple, and I'm so grateful that we actually do have that. So many of my friends have interests that they really love to do, and their spouse has absolutely no interest in it whatsoever. As a matter of fact, many times in their hobbies, they are actually opposed to them because it takes them away from the house and their relationship, which is really sad.
Yeah.
So we do share that.
And hopefully we'll be back on the Spyder in the near future.
Oh, yes. Looking forward to some warmer weather.
Yeah. Although I do think you may be getting a little carried away with that first aid class.
Well, I need to give some background on that. Since we're doing travel, a lot of travel, and we expect to do some more remote travel in the future, I have been certified in advanced first aid. I have throughout my entire professional career in law enforcement, doing search and rescue, and so I'm familiar with actually receiving the training and doing the first aid. Miriam, on the other hand, has not, so we're trying to get her certified in some first aid training while I take some refresher courses, and we've recently tooled up to a more substantial first aid kit based on the situations which we think we would run into. And the reason we're even mentioning this because if you have not taken advantage of any first aid training, I strongly recommend you do it. The first 4 or 5 minutes of an injury or a significant illness is the most important part, and you could play your share in saving a life. So contact your American Red Cross, get some first aid training. My public service announcement.
No charge.
No charge.
So send us a comment and let us know how you're getting through February, the longest month of the year.
All right, guys, that's it. It's a short video. Just want to check in and say hi.
Y'all take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our travel-related content, just check out the rest of our channel. And don't forget to subscribe.
just wanna get gone.